Hi, Capstone students. I'm just going to do a short video for week one that walks through some things that you need to know in Blackboard. If you have not had a chance yet, go ahead and watch my welcome video, which is available under announcements right here. And that's just my introduction and kind of giving you a little bit of an overview. Also, please notice the faculty contact information here. And I do give out my cell phone. It's right there. Please feel free to text me if you would like to have a conversation or schedule a meeting or anything like that. That'd be great. And then there's my email. Please remember to check your Northwestern email pretty often because that's where you'll get any information from me. I send a lot of things to email announcements and things. So please make sure that you're checking that. Okay, so the syllabus is listed here under course information. It also has the rubric that we're going to use to grade your final assignment. This is our syllabus, and then this is the due date schedule. I'm going to start there. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. And I did mention this in my opening video. So this is the possible timeline schedule. Now, you will adjust the schedule based on your own life and your own work, but it is organized by type of project, action research projects, literature review in lieu of action research. So you aren't going to be able to collect data this term, and so you decide to do a literature review. And then the school improvement plan. If you are thinking about doing a school improvement plan, please reach out to me and talk to me about that because I would like to help you go ahead and make that plan. Those can be a little bit tricky and involved, and so I would like to help you with that one specifically. So if you look here at these dates, there are dates listed here. It tells you what week that assignment is due, and it kind of goes all the way down until the very end. Now, if you get off a week or two, it's not a problem. And when you write you're going to actually talk about your plan to complete the project. And you might actually take several weeks off because you are in charge of the speech team at your school and you'll be traveling with them. You have a wedding or a family reunion that's very important, and you're just not going to be able to work that week. That's the benefit of having this self-paced course. However, we know how busy you are, and so Dr. Moffat and I have put together a schedule that we think is very doable, and if you can keep close to it, that'll help keep you on track. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and X out of that, and then come over here to content. The very first link is templates, examples, and guiding documents. This is a great place to start. So this is a textbook resource. It is not required for the course. However, it is very, very helpful in writing your literature review. Every type of project has a literature review, and so it's important that everybody be able to write them. Here in the templates, these are the templates that you will use. I suggest you start using them right away. You will submit your introduction and the first part of your lit review. Go ahead and put it right into the template. This is some good helpful tips about APA, and then examples of capstone projects are listed here. There are two editors that we have available to us in this course. These actually are both paid editors, professional editors. You do not have to hire an editor, and I did mention that in my opening video. So if you want to go back and take a listen to that or talk to me about it. As I start to see you as a writer, then we'll talk about what kind of support would be beneficial for you. Okay, and then you're going to come here to the getting started, and these are things that must be done. The literature review video has 3 parts. You watch each part and then you have to mark as reviewed. It explains that right here. This is crucial. This is almost like having a textbook. It's almost like me giving a lecture about what a lit review is. Please, please, please check that out. Then you've got your graduation application. We'd like you to go ahead and submit that. And then a schedule. And if you'll notice, all these things say must do. That's just a really good indicator that you must do that thing. And then here, this is actually your calendar. This is when you plan to actually work on Capstone. For some of you, it will be just on the weekends. For others of you, it will be a couple days during the week and one day on the weekend. Um, for a few of you, maybe you're going to work a little bit every day for 45 minutes. I would like to know that. Okay. This is a very good link for how to track changes in Microsoft Word. If you have not had to track changes and use comments before, please, please watch that video. These are the components for each individual type of capstone project. You're going to be writing your proposal, and so it's important that you know what type of project you're going to do. And you can open those up individually. They're very helpful. And then here's another place for the repository of projects. Okay, and then benchmark 1 is the proposal. So the very first things you're going to do are in getting started. Those will be done this week. And then you'll move on to benchmark 1. And that's where you're going to finish watching the video and then write your proposal draft for what you plan to do this term. This is a really good video that Dr. Hoy put together for us about how to get the best results possible when you're searching through the databases for information. Okay, and then there's also another document for how to select sources. And then very, very, very importantly is the annotated bibliography. It really is the first major thing that you'll be doing after the proposal, and you will work through that. Lastly, the last thing I'd like to mention is this Write Online module. Again, it's like a textbook, and it goes along with the videos, and you must mark it as reviewed. And those are both assignments in the class. So though the class is set up as pass-fail, you have to do all of the assignments in order to pass. Okay. All right. So that is more than enough to get you started this week. I projected out just even a little bit. So those are not all due this week. But go ahead and check the schedule and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I am here to help you and excited to watch your projects develop. Have a fabulous and amazing week.